Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Andrew in Pennsylvania on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Andrew, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade by Toshiba, and we unlocked the clarifier for you per your request. I highly recommend unlocking the clarifier on this. What that does, it allows transmit and receive to track together, aka if the person you're talking to's radio is aligned properly and you turn your clarifier to where you hear them perfectly. In a nutshell, in layman's terms, you'll hear them perfectly. But teach their own. Some people choose not to, and that's fine too. Let me get right to it. Our power all the way down. Oh, and real quick, I run a Superstar mic. They do come with a Chrome SRA 198. I'm not a big fan of them. If you don't have too basic of a voice, these are the mics to have. You know, I'm not trying to push a sale. Heck, I sell them for 12 bucks, so it's not like man's making a killing on them. If you really like a statics, grab you a 636 from us. I've got them on sale right now at the checkout counter. But yeah, check it out. Our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Just hair under 25 all the way down. 125 all the way up. Average power swing. Bouncing right there around 200 bird, 500 watt slug NPP, and just throws the 500 in the corner. Turn our power all the way down. There's that 25. Still got the 500 in the corner. Over to sideband. Hello 1 2 1 2. Hello around 450. There's your amp on off switch, color change. It's got it all. Andrew, hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.